We are at the world's biggest bird park, and we are.
Oh my gosh, it's Kyle!
It's Kyle.
We saw Kyle.
That's Kyle. So we are at the world's biggest bird park, and right now we're at the Penguins Coast. And are these puffins? Oh. Less talking, more seeing. Okay, I've never seen a puffin in my life, and this is pretty exciting. Awesome. Penguins, I love them. Emperor penguins, and wow. It's kind of sad if you actually think about it that they're all just in this one little tiny place. I like the music. Oh, these are penguins.
They're macaroni penguins.
Macaroni penguins? We had to get out of the dog fold really quick because we had to, there are rules in the arena that says quiet, no flash photography, and don't knock on the glass. So when we went in there, it was nice and quiet, and then this huge ass crowd came shouting, knocking on the glass. I mean, can these people freaking read? Anyway, we're trying to escape from the crowd, and we are going to the Flamingo Lake, and it looks so pretty. It is crazy humid over here. Oh my gosh. It seems like this whole time we're just going to be trying to escape the crowd. That's all we're going to do in this park. Escape the crowd. Try and get a little piece of serenity, my bad. But yeah, let's go on to the Pelican Cove. That's where we're going to go to. We are here at the Pelican Cove. Gosh, you can really smell bird poop. Okay, that's a large wingspan. We're heading towards the Parrot Cove, which looks okay, I guess. Thought it'd be an actual nice cove, but here we are. Oh well, hi, dude. Hello. Hi. Are you pretty one? Yeah, hello. He's talking.
Fighting there. They're still like playing around.
He's like, pay attention to me, not them, me.
We're looking at you. Make some noises.
Hello.
No, I meant more like...
Kyle. Do you know Kyle? Do you know Kyle?
That's a Goliath cockatoo, this one.
He's a show.
You see this one right here?
Yeah. This one's a show. You want to come? Yes?
Oh, wow. Hey, Kyle.
Oh, he is gorgeous. Yes, you, the red one. Not you, this one. Yes. You are gorgeous. Come together.
Okay.
Guys, come together. Thank you.
Photo op. Be on your hands.
No, I'm trying to just get them to come together.
Thank you.
Come together. Come this side.
One more to join.
You guys want... Ooh, this one's got his...
Yeah, that's a Goliath cockatoo.
Hello.
There's a cage full of them with bright red.
Hello. But they are
Their eyes are
magnificent.
Quickly. Ready? Tell me to move my hand.
Okay, now. They're the most they're so friendly. You wanna come this side? Come this side. Come this side. This one hanging upside down. Hi. Come this side. All of y'all come this side. This side. Yes, this side. Come. Very good. Okay, they're way too clever. They're like, what the hell kind of hand is that?
There we go.
Oh,
There's your picture.
he's here now.
There are your pictures.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. There we go. I wonder if you're gonna get all of them. Can you come closer here? Come down here.
Like what? What you saying?
Come down here. Yes, yes.
It's so intelligent.
Very good. Down here, this side.
Come here.
Come down this side.
Down.
Down. You come up.
Down.
Come up here. Come up here. You're so cute. The way they understand is fantastic. Come down here. Come down here.
Smile.
Come down here. No, down. Down. Very good. Come down. Down. Y'all are adorable. He's very interested. Suddenly he's like,
Well, you want to see really big ones? That's him.
oh,
They really live up to the name, so
y'all are done? He's the most friendliest one. Come down here. You want to come down?
At the back one, look at this.
Come this side. Come this side. This side. This side. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes. Very good. They all love Theon. Theon the bird whisperer. Come this side. Come this side. Come this side. This side. Come. Come this side.
Hey, don't do that.
Come. Come. Come on. He talks a lot.
Look at. Playing with him.
Oh, nobody's forgetting you. Nobody's Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yes, come here. Nobody's forgetting you. Come here. Come on. We all love you. You stupid. Come this side. Very good. Come this side. Come on. Move more. Some more. Very good.
He's so nice.
Because of this, now I feel like I can do bird training. Oh, you're here. Hello.
Oh.
This is boss. Okay, come here. Come on.
Down here.
Come. It's okay. Oh, you're coming up. All right, come up. Up here. Very good. Y'all are adorable.
Watch this magic. Over here. Here. Right here. It's so close.
Oh, you're on his butt.
First thing the face like, is it like they go under like push each
Wanna come this side? Oh, fight. He's actually biting the other one's legs to push him off. Okay, bye. See you guys. Oh, the other one is because his face are making these little whiny noises.